Most of us have more persistence than we realize. We have great persistence, but do not exert it in the right direction. We can either exert our persistence by pushing the world out of our way until we reach success, or we can exert it by running away from our problems and difficulties. But persistence must be combined with intelligence. If at first you don't succeed, try again, but try differently. The law of averages will favor the person who persists. All of us have good and bad luck. The one who persists through the bad luck is the one who is there when the good luck comes and is ready to receive it. If you, my friend, have tried and tried again to find your mixed voice, but still haven't found it yet, don't give up. Let's try something different right now. Let's go. So I'm going to show you an exercise that is really like a sequence of a couple different things here, and it's meant to essentially get you out of your own way by range of motion, by moving all the different parameters around that make up our voice, because a lot of times we are aiming for the perfect bullseye and we just do the same thing over and over again and we're expecting a different result. And as you know, that is the definition of insanity. So I have found it to be so useful to just move the parameters around and find something different. It's not about doing the thing you're doing and making that easier. Oftentimes it's about finding a new thing or a different thing that actually works. Then we can become dependent on this new thing. So let's do this. Okay, so the first step is we're gonna look for what I call white sparks. And it's this kind of metallic noise. It's the ring of your voice. It sounds metallic-y. It sounds like a rattly metallic noise. Now, I've found it useful to put your thumb and your finger right here because you're going to listen for that metallic noise somewhere in this vicinity. So if you do this, it kind of focuses your mind's eye. Ooh. I really hear like a ringing quality right here. And I'm singing very softly, I'm singing very gently. Now, that's the first part of the sequence, is you're gonna start on the third, and then you're gonna bring that down to the octave. We're doing this so that we can have this differential control of the chords. If you start on that third, I've found the success of landing and mix is much greater than if you start on the root note. Okay, so now here's the sequence. So we're gonna do this ooh, listening for this ring. Then when we get down to the octave, we're gonna stick our tongue out like this. So it's not really a vowel, it's more of like a noise at this point. And then you're gonna pull that tongue in until you hear an ah vowel that you like. And it should feel ringy here, but also back here. It starts to sound almost like a harmonica blasting inside of my head. Or a lot of times I'll hear wind chimes or razor blades. Okay, and so when you do that, you start to get this intuition of like, I feel like I could take that vowel up. If you get there, then do it. Okay, so that starts to feel really good, and so you can kind of move that up and down your range. And that voice should just be turning over is what it feels like. It feels like it turns up above the mouth and high up in the head somewhere. It doesn't feel like you're shouting out this way anymore. And when you get there, I mean, try to put it into a song. I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have gave you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party, cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. So you see, all I'm doing is I'm very specifically setting up certain parameters. We're setting up the chord closer of mix, we're setting up the resonance of mix, and then we're taking it up to a higher pitch where mixed voice lives. Once I'm there, I just want to see, can I keep this going, this coordination, this resonant feeling, this placement in the context of words and a song. So this is a really amazing sequence, and I hope that it really helps you. Please remember though, you need to be working on your mix in a systematic way on a weekly basis and even a daily basis for you. If you're ready for a systematic approach to working on your mixed voice, I made something for you. This is my latest course. It's called Mixed Voice Masterclass Volume 2. This course is incredible. So many people around the world are using it already. It's my advanced approach to building the mixed voice. If you're interested in that, I have a link for you down below. My friend, there is a place for you to fill that no one else can fill. Something you are to do that no one else can do. Don't give up. Keep fighting. Keep going. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified when I release more videos just like this one. Until next time.